Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. In today's video, we'll be working with Curlsqueen, a brand who signifies women's beauty, power, and self-love through hair. You guys know how much I love that. So let's get into it. The hair that we will be using today is wire jerry curl clip-in extensions. They are absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I have the seamless weft. I've never used this before, but I've seen it all across social media, and I've seen that it gives you a much flatter look for seamless. Not that it'll really matter, you know, with this big, huge hair. Gosh, it is so pretty. Look at that. Can you see those curls? This is gorgeous. Let's get started.
Picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe.
I have 2 with 5 clips, 2 with 4, 2 with 3, and 4 with 2. That's a first. Normally they would have different sizes, but these all seem to be the same length. So we're gonna see how this goes. Now let me explain what's going on with my hair, because I'm sure you're wondering. So I have my leave out here, and then here, my hair is braided down and I have a net on top. And I did this because I've been wearing lots of clip-ins for the past month, and I've been attaching the clips to the net rather than straight to my braids, you know, so that I can kind of wear it as a protective style. My hair is still shedding. I'm still trying to get it together after having the baby and everything. So I've just been trying to come up with different ways of styling my hair. Still looking cute, you know, but not putting unnecessary strain on my hair. So I'm super excited to try these clip-ins. Let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna begin by placing one clip with 4. I'm going to go right here. Again, you don't have to do the net, it just depends on your preference. I just find that it's much easier. And you know, after a while, clips also hurt. I don't have to experience any pain. I could sleep in my clips if I wanted to. By the way, these are 20 inches long. I'll show you guys the length so that you can actually, they're pretty long. It's really hard to show you while sitting, but I'll show you before the tutorial is over. I'm gonna go right above that with another clip 4. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gonna go above that with clips with 5. I'll show you guys how that looks. So far, this is where we are. So the last one I did was a 5. I did 2 4s, then I did a 5. Now I'm going to go in with 2 3s.
I've heard new love is so beautiful. Time is what makes it ugly. But time after time and through every turn in this life, I could use some stability. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart.
So this is where we are now. Make sure everything is secure. Now I'm gonna go in with that 5 clips. I do want to make a bit of a change in the back.
Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and
You gotta grab that lower. Well, that second 4. And I'm gonna pull it up, bring it up to the top.
your mind and your body could ever change. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each beat.
I actually grabbed the 5. I grabbed the 5 by accident, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. So therefore I have 2 4s at the bottom. Then I went in with the 2 3s on one row. Now I have a 5. And then I have the other 5 right here. I think that was much better. Just have to make sure that it's laying flat. So I'm gonna put that in my hair. I don't want any gapping going on. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now all I have left are my clips with 2. And what I'm going to do now, which will probably be smart, is take down my leave out.
I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little. I pour out my heart. Little by little here. I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky. No little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help.
Okay, we're going to begin by placing one clip right here at my part. Going to place the other in the same position on the opposite side. See if maybe I can squeeze one right here and it not show. I'm gonna see. So what I'm doing right now, I'm seeing if I can squeeze the clip in right in the middle of my leave out.
I pour out my heart. Oh, boy. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, walk that fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly.
This is beautiful, guys. And they want me to define the hair, I know, but I love it like this. Like, even with my middle part, I can throw it over to the side. Guys, this is beautiful.
Walk in heaven, align with what I am. I'll shine again. I'll be free.
Okay. So I'm gonna take some Eco Styling gel. I have not used this in years.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been
So guys, I ended up going throughout my entire head with the Denman brush. I wet it, and then I went through and detangled all of the clip-ins. Then I focused in on my leave out. I brushed it in as well, and then I kind of added a little gel to certain areas in order to blend my hair with some of the hair from the clip-ins so that we could kind of camouflage it a little better. So now we're to the drying point. I'm just waiting on everything to dry. I do have some stubborn areas like right here, and I have like an area right there in the back that it's really working my nerves. But hopefully once the hair dries, you know, it's gonna feel out a bit, and we'll probably be able to kind of manipulate the hair a bit where it won't be so noticeable. So I'm just gonna wait this out, and then I will be back to show you guys the results. So guys, the hair is about 95% dry. I still hate this part right here. I'm not gonna lie. I would love it if I had a few additional clip-ins for, you know, because I feel like otherwise they would be extremely spaced out. And I can't say that I would want to leave my hair out and apply these clip-ins because I feel like I have a tighter texture. So 9 times out of 10 my hair would be braided under here, which means I would still have the same amount of leave out. So I would still need additional clips in order to accomplish the look that I'm going for. This hair is amazing. I love it. Y'all see the curls. Sheesh. And I'm sure it's only going to get bigger and bigger. Those curls are gorgeous. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Be sure to check out www.curlsqueen.com for this hair, the water jerry curl. Make sure you get those seamless wefts. And that wraps up this tutorial. Well, yeah, I need to go ahead and end this because I'll sit here and play in this hair all night long. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.